Welcome to our video showcasing the potent annotation functionality, a very useful superset feature, which you can see in action in our demo BI application. Today, we'll delve into how annotations elevate data analysis, offering context and depth to visualizations. Join us as we explore interval and event annotation demonstrated within our intuitive platform. Ready to leverage this powerful feature? Let's unlock data insights together. The annotation layer empowers users by enabling the addition of contextual information to visualizations. This feature allows highlighting specific events, marking time periods, or supplementing charts with additional details. Annotations play a pivotal role in enhancing the interpretability of the presented data, offering a versatile tool for comprehensive data analysis. Let's delve into two essential types of annotation layers within a BI platform: interval annotation and event annotation, each offering unique functionalities to enhance the interpretability of your data visualizations. Interval annotations within a BI platform are a powerful feature designed to mark specific time blocks on a chart, providing crucial temporal context to your data visualizations. This annotation type proves particularly valuable when you need to highlight or segment periods of interest within your data, enhancing the interpretability of your charts. The event annotation type serves to highlight specific occurrences or events on the chart, aiding in the identification and analysis of key moments within the data. Now, let's delve into a practical example of interval annotations within our demo BI application, where we'll utilize a bar chart to showcase their effectiveness. Summer sales. To visualize the impact of your summer sales campaign, use the interval annotation to mark the period from June 28th to July 14th on your line chart. This annotation will provide a clear visual representation of how this sales season influences your data. Flash sales. Similarly, employ the interval annotation to highlight the flash sales event, spanning from March 1st to March 10th. This annotation will help you quickly identify any distinctive patterns or trends associated with these time intervals on the chart. By incorporating these interval annotations into your line chart, you gain a deeper understanding of how specific sales seasons impact your data, allowing for informed analysis and strategic insight. If you have a chart showing website visitors and there are spikes, you can annotate them with the newsletter that a partner sent that caused this spike. If you have a chart showing monthly active users and there is a jump up to a higher level of usage, you can annotate this with the feature launch that caused this. Let's dive into a practical example using a bar chart that showcases monthly sales figures. Loyalty rewarding start, April 27, 2023. Mark the launch of a loyalty program on our bar chart, helping us visually track its impact on subsequent sales. Black Friday, November 25, 2022. Highlight the renowned Black Friday sale on the chart to analyze sales surges associated with this impactful shopping day. By using event annotations, we can quickly identify sales patterns around these events. Do loyalty program launches show comparable impact to major sales events like Black Friday? Event annotations provide a clear visual guide for understanding how specific occurrences influence monthly sales dynamics. If you have a chart showing monthly active users and there is a jump up to a higher level of usage, you can annotate this with the feature launch that caused this. If you're interested in exploring this on your own, it's simple. If you're ready to unlock the full potential of Qmantic, don't miss out on our incredible features. Take control of your experience today with our free trial, the best way to explore, experiment, and elevate. Go to Qmantic.com to start your free trial now. Don't just take our word for it, experience it for yourself.
If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more easy-to-understand business tips.